What's up, 636 family? Really not a huge kind of video today, whatever. It's a commonly asked comment in the comments of a lot of the how-to videos, and I figured I'd do it today because I might as well. There's two big questions. I'm gonna leave one for next time because my tire is like literally about to explode. I don't know, not right there. There you go. I don't have much life on this tire to do the how to drift video right now, but I can do the how to slow wheelie video, because so many people have asked, how do you slow down your wheelies? How do you bring it to such a slow type of wheelie? And basically, it's the other half of the problem with what you're doing wrong in your wheelies. It's not that you're giving it too much throttle, it's that you need to learn the brake control. That's all slowing your wheelie down is coming to balance point and then coming a little bit past balance point, and using the brake properly, and then that'll slow it down. But you're never going to be able to slow down your wheelie and control your wheelie, and pretty much, you know, have that much better control of your wheelie until you learn that rear brake discipline. So today, not a huge video, not anything that anyone should be wanting to learn in the next, you know, day, because this does take some time to learn how to truly slow down your wheelies, you know. And I guess I'll get to the three kinds of wheelies and the wheelie positions that I thought of for this video. And it's essential that you're going to probably go through these in the same order. The first being the power wheelie, or, you know, the wheelie that's chased out. So you chasing out a wheelie, probably here, I can do it. It's going to feel weird because I haven't done it in a while, but essentially is you popping it up, chasing it, and running out of gas, running out of that gear. You know, so yeah, I was up. Yeah, the front tire was off the ground, but yeah, you're essentially you're not where you should be, that you can even maintain gas. She's learning how to even get there. So right now, spend as much time as you want on each of these steps of how to control your wheelie better, but definitely don't push it out of your comfort zone anytime quickly. So that's your chasing out type of wheelie. The second kind is balance point. This is where I feel even some stunners, you know, some stunners get stuck at is at their balance point, and it's a great spot to be at. This is right there. This is you at the same engine RPM. You don't even have to be using brake at all, but you're there. You're not speeding up, you're not slowing down, you're just at balance point. Perfect harmony in between, you know, the motor's RPMs and basically your height of the wheelie. So that's kind of your perfect little harmony, is the balance point. Now, the point of this video, how do you slow down your wheelies? That's going to involve you coming past balance point, like I said before, coming past balance point and then slowly applying that rear brake. You could do it with your foot or your handbrake. I'm going to do it with a handbrake just for the purposes of this video, for you to see how little of brake it actually takes. So we're up. Let's say we get, we're at like 20 miles an hour. Throw it past balance point. Barely feather that brake. Feather it, feather it, feather it, feather it, feather it. And just like that, we're down to about 2 miles an hour. And then that's where you want to be for circles. So if you don't know how to slow down your wheelies, circles definitely aren't going to come. So I guess I should have done this video with a before how to circle. So you're at balance point, not using any brake. Come back. A little bit of brake, a little bit of brake, a little bit of brake, a little bit of brake. And that's it. It's not anything that is mind-blowing. It's just coming past balance point, bringing that tire that much farther back. Boom. And that's it. Not a huge deal. So I don't want to overthink this video much, guys, but if it takes watching that once or twice to get it, it is what it is. I'm not going to overcomplicate this, because it's just that. It's not that complicated. It's a mental game of getting past balance point and slowly playing the brake. So you're taking off the gas at the same time too. Two huge things. I really want to, well, one huge thing. The other thing I don't really care about. The first thing being the patrons. I know you guys see the little names that go on the side of all my videos. I really do want to thank them. Woo! That was high. Yes, good. Sorry, I really do want to thank them for keeping this channel alive. Cause with YouTube slowly starting to, you know, give less and less ad revenue for anything wheelie related, anything bike related. I've talked to a few other creators, anyone from Dank to Blockstars to Street Fighters to everyone's being hurt by this. I promise. There's every single one of your favorite motovloggers or bike riders or whatever. They're getting affected by this. So I really do want to thank these people right here on the side of the screen for keeping this channel alive and keeping me motivated to keep videos coming for you guys, because they're the people that motivate me right now. I'm not saying the YouTube views and how supportive you guys always are don't, because they do too. However, it's where I'm putting more of my content now, and I am loving the experience of being closer with those people. So if you guys don't want to, not a huge deal, but I always put their names there because I feel like I'm obligated to, because they do keep me motivated. So hop on over there. There's giveaways and extra footage and whatnot. The second little thing, I got this new microphone on, so if I sound a little bit different today, that's why. Basically a new microphone off of Amazon that I thought I'd try out and see how it goes, you know. My old microphone had like some weird port that needed a battery, and after seeing other motovloggers stuff, they're like, no, we don't use a battery, dude. This is the best mic that you can buy. So I ended up just going off and buying it, and you know, I'm curious just as much as you guys probably are right now of how this sounds, because I definitely haven't been able to hear it yet. It's kind of the test run in the new mic, so hopefully it sounds good. Hopefully I sound as ugly and weird as ever. What should we do? What's she doing over there? Hi. How are you? Good. Beep beep. See if we can jump the spreader. Jump. Woo! Scrape. And one last little thing before I cut this off, because I don't want this to be a long video. I gotta say thank you to the few dudes, whether it's on Instagram and the 1 or 2 patrons, that are encouraging me to make bad decisions, like riding on a fractured wrist. Definitely hurts, and I definitely don't think I would have the motivation to be riding if it wasn't for the few guys to keep me going and saying this is the best brace, this is how to isolate it, this is how to treat it. And it's been working out. I feel like the pain's starting to go away after a few of these weeks, but appreciate the motivation, maybe the bad ideas, whatever. But most of all, guys, I really do appreciate you guys staying active with the community. So 636 family, leave a comment below. Let me know if this video helped you guys at all. If it did, maybe share it with your friends who are also starting to learn how to stunt or starting to learn how to wheelie, maybe like old Sesame there. And if it helped, you know, give it a like, give it a share, tell your friends, whatever. So one last time, do a little slow down and go from the top of first gear to the bottom of first gear. Boom, just like that. So it is just a little below balance point, little below balance point. There's balance point. We can stay at the same RPM, get to the top, little below balance point, top, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. And there's no gas there, see? There's no gas. It is just sitting a little bit below balance point. So you can take your hand off. That'll let you know that you're below balance, or behind balance point, I should say, not below. I'm getting all confused. So, all right, guys. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Whatever, religious or not, I don't care. And as always, this is Brian636 telling you guys to ride safe. Check out the rest of the channel and woo! And get vertical like she is, all right? I love y'all.
Why not risk life when it's gonna keep going?